In this video, we will learn page number 6 and 7. Now, after requesting of the other person, means the stranger, the astrologer started telling the previous act which had happened with the other person. And he said that he uttered first sentence, which was he was left for dead, and the other person felt that, or other person agreed the statement, and he felt that the astrologer was telling right thing. Now, after thinking like this, he requested the astrologer to say further, and then he started saying, and then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field, you were left for dead. And he further said that yes, you were pushed into a well near in the field and you were left there for dead. Instantly he said that, means instantly the other person said that I should have been dead if some passerby had not changed to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. Now, here he interrupted the astrologer's sentence, astrologer's conversation, speech, and he said that in between the speech of the astrologer, I should have been dead if some passerby had not changed. Means here, I would have been dead, but passerby came and saved my life. They peeped into the well and they saved my life, he exclaimed, and he was telling with enthusiasm. He overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means here have a strong emotion effect on. And he was telling the sentence with very happy manners. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. Now he clenched his fist, means the other person clenched his fist and said that, when shall I get at him? In the next world, answered the astrologer. Astrologer said that if you want to meet the person, you have to go in the next world. He died for 4 months ago in a far off town, so you will never see any more of him. The other groaned on hearing it. The astrologer proceeded. Now, astrologer further said that he died 4 months ago in a far off town, and he died 4 months ago. The other person was looking. You will never see any more of him. And he further said that the other person would not see any more of the person who had made attempt to kill the other person. The other person groaned on hearing it, and he became happy, and he was making sound, happy sound. And the astrologer proceeded. Here groan means what? Here make a deep inarticulate sound conveying pleasure, otherwise sad thing, otherwise pain. But here, due to the pleasure, he was making sound. And the astrologer proceeded. Astrologer further said, which was shocking for the other person, Guru Nayak. Guru Nayak means the other person's name was Guru Nayak. After listening the name from the mouth of the astrologer, the Guru Nayak became shocked. You know my name, the other said, taken aback. And he became astonished after listening the name from the mouth of the astrologer. As I know all the things. Now, as astrologer said that, astrologer further said, as I know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to say. Your village is 2 days journey due north of this town. Now here he said that as I know all other things related to your life, so Guru Nayak, listen carefully what I am going to tell you. Now he further said that your village, your village is 2 days journey due, means you will need 2 days, or you need 2 days to go to your village. Take the next train and be gone. Now you will take 2 days to go to your home, and immediately take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life if you go from home. Now he said that if you do not if you again leave your village, there will be great danger, which the astrologer is seeing with the help of his power. He took out a pinch of sacred ash and held it to him. After saying all the statements, he took a pinch of a sacred ash. A pinch means here grip tightly and sharply between finger and thumb. चिमूट भर असं चिमटी मारून त्यांनी तो सॅक्रेड ॲश म्हणजे तो भस्म होता तो त्याच्या कपाळाला लावला. अँड हेल्ड इट टू हिम अँड ही हँडेड ओव्हर टू द अदर पर्सन. रब इट ऑन युअर forehead and go home. And he handed over a pinch of sacred ash to the other person, and also he told, rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again and you will live to be 100. Now you should not come back here. If you do like this, you will live to be 100. Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively. Now the other person felt that whatever the astrologer was telling, all the things were right, and he further said that why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively, I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. He shook his head regretfully. He had escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. And he said that he shook his head gratefully. Now he nodded his head. He has escaped my hand. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Now he said that further said, he has escaped my hand. तो माझ्या हातातून निसटला होता. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. Now further the astrologer said that he was crushed under a lorry, and the other looked gratified, means the other person looked gratified. Gratified means he got pleasure to hear the incident. The place was deserted. Now after saying all the things, the other person handed over what here, a handful of coins or handful of annas to the astrologer, and he went away. The place was deserted by the time, and after going the other person, the strange person, the place was deserted. No one was there at the time of the closing his business or closing his shop. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up, means when he was picking up all the articles and when he was putting all the articles into his bag, that time no one was there. The market was emptied. The green shaft was also gone, leaving the place in the darkness. Now the green shaft was also gone there, leaving, and now only darkness was there in the market. and silence was there. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving the astrologer a handful of coins. Now the astrologer went away. Astrologer has gone off into the night after giving the astrologer a handful of coins. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. So after collecting all the materials, articles and the bag, he returned to his home. His wife was waiting for him at the door, and she demanded an explanation. Obviously, he returned at late night to his home, and so that his wife was waiting for him, and as soon as she saw him, she demanded an explanation. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them, one man gave all that." Now he threw the coins at her and said that, "Count them, one man gave all her." She counted and she said that 12.5 annas. She said, counting. So after counting, she said that 12.5 annas. She was overjoyed. Here overjoyed means happy. "I can buy some jaggeri and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweet for so many days now." After seeing a good amount, after seeing the 12.5 annas, she was overjoyed, and she urged, or she requested, or she said to the astrologer that she could buy some jaggeri and coconut the next day. The child has been asking, because the child had been asking for sweets for so many days. Then, and further she said, "I will prepare some nice stuff for her." Now she said that tomorrow, she said further what? The next day she would prepare some nice cooking for her. The swine had cheated me. Now here, as soon as the wife said that the amount is only for 12 and half anna, that time the astrologer became shocked. He became stunned. The swine had cheated me, because the pact was done in between them that if the astrologer said all the things properly, conveniently, then the other person would give 1 rupee to the astrologer. But here, after listening all the things very properly, after getting all the answers very properly, he would give only 12.5 annas to the astrologer. So the astrologer became angry, and he said that the swine had cheated me. "He promised me a rupee," said the astrologer. She looked up at him. "You look worried. What is wrong?" So while saying that the swine had cheated me, it indicated that the astrologer might have known the person, and he said that he promised me a rupee. Now all the expressions were got by his wife, and she said that she looked up at him and said, "You look worried. What is wrong? So you are not happy after getting 12.5 anna. What is wrong with you?" He further said that nothing. But after dinner, sitting on the pole, he told her, "Do you know, a great load is gone from me today." Now something was going on in the mind of the astrologer. When his wife asked her asked her a question, he said nothing. He did not say anything. But after dinner, sitting on the pole, here pole means a string cord, the meaning has been given here. He told her, "Do you know, a great load is gone from me today." Now he confessed in front of her wife that, "You know that a great load is gone from me today. I thought I had the blood of a man on my hands, all these years. So all these years uh, I felt that I had killed a person and I am a murderer. But that was the reason why I can, and because of that I ran from my village to here, where I ran away from home, settled here and married you, and the person is alive. And when the person who I was supposing, or who was killed by me, he is alive. She gasped, "You tried to kill him?" She gasped, means she shocked. "You tried to kill him?" "Yes, in our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly." And after gasping, or she gasped and she said that, "You tried to kill him?" And in the reply, the astrologer said, "Yes, in our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly one day." So we drank, one day we drank and we gambled. Now here gambled means here play games for chance for money. So play games for getting monies. Here betting, you can say that. We drank, gambled and quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now? Time to sleep. So here he said. Now after cutting the conversation, he said that, "Why think of it now? Why should I think on it? Now time to sleep," he said, yawning and stretched himself on the pole. And he yawned and stretched himself on the pole. Thank you. In the next lecture we will have discussion on few questions. Thank you.